This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Christine Daignault. GG Gorgeous. Beautifully updated home. Huge open concept split floor plan with abundant natural light. Wood-look tile floors throughout. Timeless modern fixtures, trim, and doors. Gorgeous kitchen has center island/breakfast bar, ample prep space, granite counters, soft closewood cabinetry, stainless appliances, and modern low-profile LED lighting with dimmer switches. Huge master bedroom with double closets and walk-in shower. All appliances and HWH 2 years or newer. Roof 2019. Screened patio overlooks fully fenced backyard filled with fruit trees. 2-car garage currently configured as living or storage space west/indoor laundry room, air conditioner is capped. Or owner may remove wall to return use as garage. Pet considered, but no danger breeds. From oak and huge rear mango being removed. For more info or to see this beautiful home, call/text Barry Taylor 321-795-7074 for more information. Review the details below or contact Christine Daignault at 321-591-3228.